This park is for
इनका एक्चुअली फ्लाइट मिस हो गया सुबह, है ना?
kind of.
काइंड ऑफ।
Look at him, how happy he is to.
ये बता दूं कि मैं दिल्ली पहली बार आ रहा हूँ। ये क्या है, कमेंट्स में लिखो।
So now I'm taking care of this camera.
पासपोर्ट में स्टैंप लग गया है। फाइनली आई हैव लैंडेड इन नेपाल। हेलो फ्रॉम काठमांडू, नेपाल। भैंशेपति।
यस भैंशेपाटी ए औषधि खाएर पुरा सुतेर आएको।
सो हेलो एवरीवन, आज है वो दिन कि मैं और मेरे मामा जी वी आर लीविंग फॉर नेपाल टुडे फ्रॉम हैदराबाद। एंड अभी सुबह के बज रहे हैं 4:30 एंड वी आर स्टार्टिंग ऑफ फ्रॉम होम। अब डायरेक्ट चलते हैं हैदराबाद एयरपोर्ट, वहाँ चल के मिलते हैं। लेट्स गो।
This park is for there's an army, there's a museum.
ओके।
Beautiful park.
सो मैं हूँ हैदराबाद एयरपोर्ट में और एक भाई मिले हैं। क्या नाम है भैया आपका?
जी मेरा नाम है नूर हुसैन। नूर हुसैन जी आओ।
तो इनका एक्चुअली फ्लाइट मिस हो गया सुबह, है ना?
हाँ।
कैसे मिस हुआ? कितने बजे था फ्लाइट पहले बताओ?
फ्लाइट मेरा 5:25 पे था।
5:25
और
फिर मिस हो गया।
मिस हो
और
गया।
अभी फिर
मैं 4:25 को 4:30 को यहाँ पे आ गया।
फिर
4:30 को
भी-
आके बोर्डिंग पास लेने गया तो बोला काउंटर क्लोज हो गया। फिर बोर्डिंग पास नहीं दिया
फिर
मुझे।
रीशेड्यूल शेड्यूल फिर से शेड्यूल करके
हाँ फिर से
7:45 वाले फ्लाइट में डाल दिया।
7:45 वाला फ्लाइट में आया। फिर मेरे को 6000 एक्स्ट्रा लग गया।
और कैसे लेट कैसे हो गया वो बता
लेट में दोस्तों के साथ में चाय पी रहा था, दोस्त छोड़ने के लिए आ रहा था।
दो। तो भाईजान दोस्तों के साथ चाय पी रहे थे एंड ही मिस्ड हिज फ्लाइट।
यस यस
कोई बात नहीं, तो ये अब हमारे साथ चल रहा है, साथ में फिर चलते हैं।
तो क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आप
लोगों को जरा बता दो कि चाय थोड़ा
लोगों
जल्दी
को बताना चाहता हूँ कि जब भी आपका फ्लाइट हो थोड़ा 1 घंटा या 1.5 घंटा पहले एयरपोर्ट पे आइए।
चाय वाय घर पे पी के आए।
हाँ।
ओके गाइस।
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, we'll take the stairs, huh?
Yeah, it's
Welcome to Indigo. We would love to take off with you at the earliest. To help us get cover, please keep your large bags in the overhead bin above and small bin.
So you have been to Nepal, right? How many times before?
I don't remember how many times, but maybe 15 to 20 times, I believe.
15 to 20 times.
I guess so.
Nepal, right?
Yeah,
So you know pretty much about Nepal,
kind of.
kind of. Huh?
Yeah,
You're going to help me to explore places, right?
yeah.
Okay. So मैं तो पहली बार जा रहा हूँ, पर he has been to Nepal lots of time. Excited.
Look at him, how happy he is to unpack this. I guess he's very hungry. So hurry unpacking. Look at his mouth.
Come on.
Lifetime achievement.
So this is veg chettinad roll and this is hot chocolate. So guys, I am having veg roll and this is hot chocolate. He wants to do some kind of manifestation, right?
Not manifestation, that's called taking a challenge.
Taking up a challenge,
Yeah.
okay. Come on, yes.
See, this is the
Hot chocolate.
This is so tasty, yummy.
Yes.
But it will be my last sugar drink till the trip ends. That means till the trip ends, I'm not going to drink any sugar stuff.
Pakka.
Recorded.
So we are just about to land in Delhi now.
सभी यात्रियों से निवेदन है कि वे अपने स्थान पर ही बैठे रहें और अपनी कुर्सी की पीली बातें रखें। धन्यवाद। Passengers are requested to remain seated and fasten their seat belts. Thank you.
So guys, we have arrived at Delhi. जैसे कि मैंने कहा था, हैदराबाद से दिल्ली फ्लाइट था and now we will be going from Delhi to Kathmandu and this is the shuttle bus service because हमारा जो international flight है to Kathmandu that is from Terminal 3. Terminal 3, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And we landed at Terminal 1. So अभी शटल सर्विस बस से वी आर गोइंग टू टर्मिनल 3. वहाँ पे जाके फिर इमिग्रेशन वगैरह क्या कुछ होगा मैं डिटेल्स बताऊंगा बाद में. पहले पहुँचते हैं टर्मिनल 3. एंड गाइज मैं ये बता दूं कि मैं दिल्ली पहली बार आ रहा हूँ बट जस्ट काइंड ऑफ अ ले ओवर है तो मैं ज़्यादा तो घूम नहीं पाऊँगा. बट द शटल बस जो है ये एयरपोर्ट एरिया के बाहर से ही ले रहा है ना. दिस इज नॉट द एयरपोर्ट एरिया ना. इट्स टेकिंग फ्रॉम द
Because we are the terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3. So but we have to
go out. Yes. So क्योंकि इंटरनेशनल टर्मिनल 3 में है तो बाहर से ही लेके जा रहा है तो चलो उसी बहाने मैं दिल्ली भी ज़रा देख ही ले रहा हूँ मैं. दिल्ली, दिल वालों का शहर दिल्ली. सो गाइज वी आर इन दिल्ली इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट और अब हम खाने बैठे हैं. सो दिस इज़ ऑफ कोर्स अ बर्गर. नाउ यू पीपल हैव टू गेस व्हाट इज़ दिस. अंकल इज़ गोना हैव दिस. आप सब पक्का कमेंट करके गेस करो कि ये क्या है. कमेंट्स में लिखो let us check if people can guess it correctly or not, right?
Yeah.
So यहाँ से our flight is at 1:40 p.m. Delhi to Kathmandu direct, and we have a good amount of time. So हम सोचे मामा भांजा ज़रा बैठेंगे, पेट पूजा वगैरह करके फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे, है ना? So excitement बढ़ते जा रहा है as soon as time is arriving.
So now I'm taking care of this camera. Ansu is a little busy these days. So at this moment, as we are traveling around, you can see the people so happy. I do not know where they are going, what is their destinations, but seems they're enjoying their time in this airport. So till Anshuman comes, you can enjoy some time with me.
So you were you telling something?
Yeah, I was telling that.
You're trying vlogging, huh?
No, I was just telling.
What?
I see people from different places, from where they are coming.
Yes.
A lot of different areas.
This is international, that's why lots of
Yeah, that's a lot.
foreigners. Right. So हमारी इमिग्रेशन हो गई, ऑल सिक्योरिटी चेक्स आर डन. अब कुछ ही देर में फ़्लाइट का टाइम हो जाएगा. मैं दिखा देता हूँ आपको कि पासपोर्ट में स्टैंप लग गया है. सो फीलिंग स्पेशल क्योंकि पासपोर्ट में पहला स्टैंप है. एंड बहुत एक्साइटेड हो. अब बस इंतज़ार है फ़्लाइट का. सो गाइस नाउ वी आर गोना बोर्ड द फ्लाइट टू काठमांडू.
Don't go about let's speak.
How excited are you?
Yeah, I'm excited, but I'm feeling tired. I'm sleepy at this point.
Sleepy now?
Yeah, I'm just waiting to land in Kathmandu, then go to the hotel, check in, take hot shower.
You have already been there so many times, no? So
Yeah,
the
I've been-
excitement is not that much, I think.
It's not. I've been there, but still,
I am more excited than you know.
Go for a business, like
Yeah.
do your work and all. So I'm more focused on my work that I'm going to do there. And we'll be meeting with new people, new friends.
Yes.
Some old friends will be there. But I'm going to stay in the same hotel that we used to stay. So yeah, I'm excited but tired. And
Tired
I'm
now.
excited for tomorrow programs that we are going to start.
Yeah.
Yep.
So he will be working. I will be also joining the program, but मैं ज़्यादा enjoy करने वाला हूँ. He is going as a like for work. I am going for you people, ताकि मैं vlogs बना के आपको दिखाऊँ. So प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके रखें. वीडियोस लाइक शेयर ज़रूर करें.
जाना पड़ेगा.
So guys, due to weather issues, we are still in the sky.
Good. It's good.
Finally, I have landed in Nepal. So this is Tribhuvan International Airport, Kathmandu.
So Ansu,
Yeah.
finally you landed in Kathmandu.
Finally, we landed in Kathmandu.
So
yes.
how's your experience?
Experience, I am-
especially tell the experience when you heard that there is the air traffic control said you cannot land now and you have only 1 hour fuel with you.
Yes.
So how did you feel about it? And there's a lot of turbulence.
I was not afraid, to be honest,
Okay.
because I knew ultimately we will reach Nepal by God's grace, and finally we have landed in Nepal, and I am so excited. अभी तो luggage लेना है, इसके बाद we have to go out of the airport and explore the new country, क्योंकि yeah, after all it's my first country outside India. Pretty much excited.
Okay. So have you scheduled your days here or you are just
I have scheduled 1-2 days, but
Okay.
we need to make more proper plans.
okay, great.
Yes.
Okay, have a great stay here in Kathmandu, Nepal.
Thank you so
Enjoy.
much. So my uncle was becoming my interviewer. First luggage is yours.
Yeah, first is mine.
Okay.
Oh, you still doubt that whether it's mine or not?
No.
Correct?
Yes.
It's yours, right?
Yes.
No.
Yes. So, hello everyone. Hello from Kathmandu, Nepal. Where?
Hello to Daju. You have to say Daju. Daju means elder brother.
Okay. Yes. So finally in a new country, it feels really great.
You see in Nepal there is no honk.
No honking in Nepal, huh? Okay.
Can you hear honking?
Not yet. Actually यहाँ पे people are not honking. धीरे धीरे explore करेंगे और हाँ.
No.
Give it to me.
No. You waited for long, so I
No,
have to
is it,
do
you just give me. It was long time to you also.
Yeah. Hey, Dr. Kerry sends his greetings.
Oh,
Dr. Kerry told me when you meet with Paul, say hello from my side. I said,
go to airport.
see, he wanted to refuse Prime Minister because of Padman. Wow.
Say it again.
No, I texted him also. He called me
Yeah.
and he said, send me a message. He called me because his voice also very low.
because inside. Yeah.
Inside, no? So I said, okay.
But it's okay.
Very hungry, brother.
Very hungry?
Very hungry.
Shall I tell them to cook some like
Please,
momos
please,
or anything?
Please. Into Nepal.
So I'll have sugar. God.
This is good.
Yes.
That's cool.
So-
Do something, promote our.
Yeah, that's what I
culinary.
already told him.
So he's Mr. Paul. Once we get down, we'll talk. We'll talk
Yeah,
a
sure,
lot.
sure.
Yes, I'm pretty much excited to talk to brother Paul. Now, अब तो बैठेंगे ही बहुत दिन. We'll have coffee. We'll sit together. We'll discuss. Weather is outstanding now. It rained heavily, but now it's very pleasant. So guys, जैसे कि मैं काठमांडू में हूँ, one very impressive thing that I observed is people are not honking here unnecessarily. Plus, लोग एकदम like people are maintaining good speed limit. See, totally disciplined, calm, peaceful. अगर आँख बंद कर देते वो like we will feel like we are just going alone on the road. Yes, because people are not honking. So yeah, this is a very impressive thing. First thing that I noticed in Nepal. Speed limit is 50.
Yes. Maximum.
Maximum 50, no? Yeah, that's why people are not overtaking बिना मतलब से. And even if, see, there's a lot gap, still we are not crossing our limits. Amazing.
This is one signal. Just...
Somewhere.
Okay.
So I think I made it without honking.
This area, this tree have purple color flower.
Oh, okay.
Just 2 months before it was fully,
Blooming, huh?
yes, and the sunlight, full sunlight on this purple color.
Oh,
It was like in
That's like Japan or some kind of.
so nice actually. During that time, this road was
Very beautiful, no?
very, very beautiful. You can find some videos and photos on
YouTube and all.
YouTube also, yeah, to see actually. Now it's full green. That time it was full purple.
Purple. Even now also beautiful, then also beautiful.
There is some flower, see?
Oh, yes, it's on top. Na?
Yes. Something.
So how much it comes in India?
India petrol. How about India per liter now?
Depends upon the states. But average you keep like 105 to 110.
Oh, they are also expensive then, no?
Yeah. Like in 100 means it will be 160 here, na?
So they are 100.
Almost same.
Oh, same then. Yes.
Yeah, he's not coming.
He's not traveling this time.
This place is called, what's the name of this?
This is Lalitpur. Lalitpur district, and the specific place is Nokku.
Nukku. And we are in Going to
Bhaishapati.
Bhaishapati.
Yes, Bhaishapati.
Bhaishapati.
Yes.
Okay. So we are going to.
That is also in actually the district is Lalitpur.
District is
The
Lalitpur.
specific place is Bhaishapati.
Okay, Bhaishapati.
The area is minister's area.
Okay.
All the minister's quarter is over there.
Former Prime Minister. One of his cousin brother was Home Minister for some time, no?
Yeah, one term.
One time.
He was first in the electric, like in the power minister for one term. Then home minister one term. Then finance minister one term.
Oh, really?
And then now he's still popular. खाए देखो जाने वाला तो खाए औषधि खाएर पुरा सुतेर आयो घरसम्म and then आउनु बित्तिकै प्यारासिटामोल खाइदियो निको खाइदिएको total area they developed as a smart city.
Okay.
So it is very smartly designed. The
that's it.
house, the shores line, and all those they made nicely.
Yes.
So they made in the first from the gate to this area, all are commercial.
Okay.
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 So this commercial area till this say
Okay.
like in till here,
Okay.
and then after all will be in Abashik. That's mean people will stay. That house you can use for
Business.
business.
Or...
You can't use. After that, this is the hours.
Oh.
So this Abash started from there, and then this is the big actually from right, left, the lane.
It's really beautiful.
And then in very good security. And for this Abash, there is one football ground. This is for common people can come and play. And there is 2 park inside
Okay.
for kids. Oh no, sorry, 3 parks. One, the kids, there is kids 1 park and 2 for adult for morning gym and all those. And the minister quarter from the right started from this, all the red wall. This is the minister.
Oh, these are minister quarters.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And this side and from that side also.
Oh, yes. The houses are so beautiful, guys.
Yeah, this is the minister quarter, right and left wall.
Okay.
So that's why this area security and all
Yes.
is very nice. You don't need to-
And 11 beds and breakfast.
So now we are going down of the hill.
Yes.
It's so pretty views.
This side.
Yes.
So this area is, you can see this full view you can see from your balcony.
घर आजा परदेसी तेरा देश पुकारे रे.
Sing. Sing again.
There's a movie दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे.
Yeah, oh my god, the hill views.
No, this one we are just now feeling. This,
Okay.
this will be nice now.
So guys, this is our stay. दिखाऊंगा आगे. Yeah, views का मैं क्या ही बोलूँ. I'm just quiet. So guys, now we are having momos and I'll show you. Spinach momos. This is beetroot momos. Both are chicken stuffed, right?
I got
Okay. tasty, no?
No words,
No
only expressions.
Only expression.
Great.
सो गाइज फाइनली वी आर एट आवर होटल. हम यहाँ पे रुके हैं एंड ये होटल का नाम मैं नीचे लिख दूंगा और इसका मैं अलग से एक व्लॉग भी बनाऊंगा जो कि आप रेफर कर सकते हो, वीडियोस देख सकते हो एंड यू कैन डेफिनेटली मेक दिस होटल योर चॉइस एंड ऑप्शन व्हेन एवर यू आर विजिटिंग काठमांडू. काफ़ी ज़्यादा खूबसूरत होटल है एंड आई विल शो यू द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ दी बैल्कनी, क्योंकि बैल्कनी से जो व्यू है दैट इज़ like crazy. Oh man, just look at this view. है ना खूबसूरत. सो एक सेपरेट ब्लॉग में बनाऊंगा ये होटल का कम्प्लीटली एंड यकीन नहीं हो रहा कि मैं इंडिया से बाहर एक दूसरे कंट्री में हूँ एंड दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट कंट्री आउटसाइड इंडिया एंड आई एम सो मच एक्साइटेड टू सी मेरे लिए क्या क्या रखा हुआ है नेपाल में. बाय द वे ब्रदर पॉल जो आए थे हमें एयरपोर्ट से पिक करने, ही इज़ वेरी नाइस. उनसे भी बातें करेंगे और ये व्लॉग बहुत लंबा ना हो जाए उसीलिए आई विल एंड दिस व्लॉग. अगर आपने ये व्लॉग यहाँ तक देखा देन थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर वॉचिंग. अब नेपाल के व्लॉग्स आएंगे सो मैं व्लॉग को यहीं पे एंड करता हूँ. उम्मीद है आपको ये व्लॉग अच्छा लगा होगा. सो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब भी करें मेरे चैनल को. सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट व्लॉग. टिल देन बाय बाय, टेक केयर. मिलते हैं अब नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में. गुड नाइट, बाय बाय.